The demand for business analysts or BAs continues to grow, so there's a good chance you've probably considered this increasingly popular career choice, but you're not sure how to get started, or the thing that bothers you is that you don't have the qualifications, knowledge and tools to hit the ground running in a BA role. There's also a lot of confusion about what a BA does and what skills are needed for a BA role. A BA role is not just for people with an IT background. It's also suited for people who are more business orientated, as there are different types of BA roles. What type of entry-level roles do BAs start out in is a question we get asked a lot. Another golden nugget is understanding the broad depth of analyst roles that a BA can also choose to work in. BAs also work closely with project managers and change managers and can cross over to these careers too. Take a few minutes to find out more about this rewarding career and how to get started working as a BA. In a nutshell, let's look at what a BA does. A business analyst or BA's job is to investigate and fix problems in the organisation so that it can keep working efficiently while remaining competitive. They play a critical role in integrating solutions to improve efficiency. Their major responsibility is to provide firm leadership in investigating and resolving business issues. A great career if you like investigating issues and exploring solutions. Why is the demand for BAs growing? Successful companies and organisations have an essential need to be competitive. They must also adapt to external change and market forces so they can remain relevant. To make a successful change, a company must choose the best solution, and this choice is made using data and analysis and not gut feel. Good BAs are needed to help make data-driven decisions. These are key reasons why the demand for BAs continue to grow, and BAs will continue to shape the direction of companies across all sectors. Before we go any further, let's look at whether a BA career is right for you. Let's ask a few simple questions. Are you a problem solver by nature? Do you enjoy delving into a problem to find a better solution? Do you like researching and exploring solutions? Also, do you work well with others? A BA can work with different teams and staff at all levels, as well as external stakeholders, so teamwork and communication skills are important. If you've answered yes to most of the questions, then a career as a BA is right up your alley. What does an entry-level or junior BA do? Entry-level BAs or junior business analysts support the collection and analysis of data for a business or organisation so that the requirements of the business can be gathered and solutions properly explored. To be able to provide system improvements, new technology-driven solutions, or improvements in general, thorough information gathering, research and analysis is required. A junior BA supports and assists with this. Average salaries in the UK. The average salary for junior BAs in the UK is now over £36,000, and the average salary for an experienced BA is now over £55,000 in the UK. There are over 10,000 BA roles advertised on just one of the UK's leading job boards to give you an idea of the size of this job market, and it's growing exponentially as organisations must evolve and improve. In addition, BAs can cross over to many other analyst roles. Here are some examples. Product analyst, product manager, financial analyst, quality assurance, sales analyst, business improvement specialist, data analyst. So, why choose us? For over 12 years, our team has inspired professionals, aspiring professionals, and career changers to become skilled, confident, and successful in the business analysis, business improvement, project management, and change management fields. As an accredited training organisation for the Chartered Institute of IT, or the BTS as it's commonly known, we offer two pathways to start a career as a business analyst. The first pathway is aimed at entry-level BAs, and the second pathway takes you through our BCS International Diploma in Business Analysis, which provides you with all the tools, skills, knowledge and qualifications to work as a qualified BA. We offer more than just training. As your career partner, we work with you to not only achieve your study goals, but your career and job goals also. Supporting you, your own mentor. You benefit from the support of a mentor to help you stay on track and keep engaged with your studies. Our student surveys consistently rank our mentoring highly as a tool to ensure study success. Tutor support. Anytime you need help with a course question, you have access to an experienced BA tutor to help you get the most out of your studies, prepare for exams, or support you with your assignments. Your own career consultant. Our career services are popular, and you'll have access to your own recruitment consultant who will create a professional CV, help you with interviews, give you career coaching, and help you get placed. We even do mock interviews. The BA qualifications you'll earn and the career skills you will gain through us will not only boost your CV, but give you the skills needed to thrive as a business analyst. Let's have a chat. Let's have a chat and tailor what is right for you. Book a call and have a friendly chat with one of our advisors, and please ask any questions you have. It's not just about training for us. We love seeing people succeed, and you choosing the right training package, succeeding in your studies, getting the job you want, and enjoying a successful career is important to us.